Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and very good morning, my dear students. And literally, I felt very sad, but because I couldn't meet you through this media. So, anyways, because of technical issues, I couldn't make videos. So, from today onwards, let us start our journey of grade 10, and other things I'll speak in other videos. But for now, let us continue our textbook series, textbook exercises series, and inshallah, I'll make exemplar series also. So we have started a home assignment series, a home assignment series, and now from today onwards, I am going to start textbook exercises series and also exemplar series. The three series are very very important. Okay, so let us do one by one, and I hope this journey will be good. Actually, I was trying in the last video, the audio was not good, and you are facing issues. So I thought of first fixing it up, and that's why it was late. And home assignments also I couldn't send you, but inshallah, from today onwards, regular videos and regular updates and regular help for you. First, I'm going to start in maths. As you know, we have maths, and slowly, I don't promise, but within a month or so, I will include other subjects also. And Okay, once it is finished, the site is finished, I'll let you know. And meanwhile, for today, so let us see arithmetic progressions, okay, of chapter number 5 of grade 10 arithmetic progressions, and let us start from seventh problem of exercise 5.2. Okay, what does seventh problem tells us? So the seventh problem of arithmetic progression states, what does the question ask? Find 31st term. So you have to find the 31st term. Okay, let us read the question once. Of an AP whose 11th term is 38. So you have to find 31st term, and whose 11th term is 38, and 16th term is 73. So we have to find this and the given data. So I usually tell you what are the three important things in mathematics whenever you do. So the three things are what is given, what to find, and what should be the concept. These three words are very important. Okay, what is given, what to find, and what is the concept. Now, if you know these three things, you can do any problem. You can do any problem. So solution. First, what is given, my dear students? Given 11th term. That means A11 is equal to 38, and A16 equals how much? 73. And what to find? Find A31 equals how much? And what should be the concept, my dear students? So the concept is, here he is asking 31st term. 31st term means nth term, right? So it can be any term. So he asked 31st term. That means n is equal to 31. Let us find out. But we have to start either from what to find or what is given. And mostly 90% will start from what is given. Okay. So let us see. A11 is equal to 38. So that means what? What is the formula for An? An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I hope everybody remember this, right? N is nth term, A is first term, N is number of terms, and D is common difference. Is it right? Those who doesn't know, please write the notes, running notes while I was explaining. So A11. What is 11th term? A plus 11 minus 1 into D. So we have studied that A11 is equal to A plus 10D is equal to 38. Is it right? And now, what is the next one? A16. What is A16? A plus 15D is equal to 73. So now, what does it form? These two forms, linear equation in two variables, AD, right? And we have the coefficients of one of the variable equal. So can we use elimination method? Yes. So what shall we do? Let us subtract which one is bigger? Second one is bigger. So subtract the first one from the second one. A plus 15b equals 73 and a plus 10b is equal to 38. So now subtract, when you subtract, the sign of the terms in the second equation will change. So a minus a, it becomes 0, and 15 minus 10, it is 5d equals 73 minus 38. I think it is 35, right? Yes. So now what is d? D equals 35 divided by 5, that equals 7. So we got d is equal to 7. Now what we are supposed to do? Let us find out a. So substitute d is equal to 7 in first equation. So what is first equation? Write the first equation. Do not do everything directly. Write it first. Okay, mistakes will never happen. Now substitute d. That implies a plus 10 into 7 equals 38. Is it right? So that implies that implies so a plus 10 sevens are 70 equals 38. So that implies a is equal to 38 minus 70. So what is 38 minus 70, my dear students? A is equal to 38 minus 70 is minus 30. When you have positive and negative, what you are supposed to do? Subtract the smaller one from bigger one. 70 minus 38, it will give you 32, and the bigger number 70 has negative sign, therefore the answer is minus 32. So now you got first term and also you got common difference. When you have first term and common difference, you can find any term, right? So what he asked us to find out, A31. Now A31 is equal to A plus 30D, right? So that is equal to, what is A? Minus 32 plus 30 times, what is the common difference? 7. So that equals minus 32 plus 210. So from 210, if you subtract 32, it is 180 and 178. So that is equal to 170. So what will you write? Therefore, A32 equals 178. I hope you understood, right? See, do not worry about the long steps or the long calculations. No, do it one by one. What is given, what to find. It's very simple. And the concept is nth term, right? So let us go to next problem, eighth problem. So let us see the eighth problem. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find 29th term. Okay. See, let us see what is given now here. An AP consists of 50 terms. So this is given, and which is third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. It's very simple, right? AP consists of 50 terms. That means what? He has given number of terms. That means in our mind, it has to run A1, A2, so on. It is 50. You have 50 terms. That means what? Given. What is given? N is equal to 50. If you are able to write down this step, you can do any problem in arithmetic progression. So n is equal to 50. Whose third term is 12? A3 equals 12. And the last term, what is the last term? 50th term. So A50 equals 106. Find, so what to find, my dear students? Find A29. Okay, 29th term you have to find. So is it simple? What is the concept? It's the concept of nth term, right, my dear students? Come on, let us write the concept. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is an? Nth term. What is a? First term. What is n? Number of terms. And what is d? common difference. So we have third term and 50th term. So let us write from here. What is third term? A plus 2 times D is equal to 12. First equation. That implies what is 50th term? A plus 49 times D equals 106. This is second term. Second equation, sorry. So which equation is looking bigger? Second equation, right? So what do we do? Second equation minus first equation. So A plus 49 times B equals 106 and A plus 2 times D is equal to 12. So, my dear students, so what is the most important thing? If you are able to write what is given and what to find and what is the concept, every problem will be easy. See, it's nothing. Now, since this is bigger, let us subtract. When you subtract, the sign changes. A minus A gets cancelled. 49 minus 2D. It is 45 times D equals 106 minus 12. See, I think say it is not mistake, but when I have to write, I have to write like this, right? Don't get confused. So 106 minus 12 is 94. Am I right? So 106 minus 12. Yes, it is right. So D equals, here it is not 45, 47. So D equals 94 divided by 47. So I think 47 2 times is 94. So you got common difference is equal to 2. Now substitute in anything since it is smaller number. So substitute D is equal to 2 in second equation. So what is second equation? A plus 2 times D is equal to 12. Do not go for direct substitution. First write the equation, okay? Otherwise, there may be chances to do mistake. A plus 2 times 2 equals 12. So that implies A plus 4 equals 12. Is it right? So that implies A equals 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8. So you got A is equal to 8 and D also you got it as 2. Once you get A and D, you can find out any term. What is A? What did he ask? A29. What is A29? A plus 28 times D. So that is equal to what is A? A we got 8 plus 28 into what is D? 2. So that equals 8 plus 28 2s are 56. That is equal to 64. So therefore A29 equals 64. So and while writing answers, the fourth one which is important is conclusion. So you have to write conclusion also. Okay, fine, understood? Good. So let us see the ninth problem. How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Yeah, there is no first term, there is no nth term, there is no n, there is no common difference. How to find out? See, do not panic. How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? You start from what is given and what to find. Okay. So he asked how many three-digit numbers. That means solution. Let us start from here. So number of numbers is equal to how many? Divisible by 7. Yeah, it should be divisible by 7 it seems. Okay, divisible by 7 and what digits? 3-digit numbers. Yeah, 3-digit. So here before finding, so let us see what is the first 3-digit number? 100, 101, so on. What is the last 3-digit number? 999. But will it make the series? What he is asking? Is it divisible by 7? Let us check. 100. You divide with 7. 7 ones are 7. So subtract 3. Bring down 0. In 37 fours are 28. So 2 is the remainder. So 2 is the remainder. That means what is the number divisible by 7? 100 minus 2, that means 98. So 98 is divisible by 7. Okay, 98 is the multiple of 7. Try to understand it carefully. 98 is the multiple of 7, right beta? So what is the next multiple? 98 plus 7. What is 98 plus 7? 105. So the first number that is divisible, first three-digit number that is divisible by 7 is 5. What is the next three-digit number? 105 plus 7. It is 112. Is it right? So what is the next one? 119. So on. What is the last number? Do you know? You don't know. So let us. What is the last three-digit number? 999. So now you divide with 7. 7 ones are 7. Subtract 29. 7 fours 28. So subtract 1. Bring down 9. 7 twos are 14. So 5 is a remainder. 5 is remainder means what? What is the number that is divisible? 999 minus 5. So is it 994? So check. So this is the last three-digit number. So now did you get the numbers divisible by 7? Yes, we got. So what is this? This is first term. And common difference, 112 minus 105, that is equal to 7. What is this? Last term is equal to 994. Do you know how many multiples are there? No. So you have to find out n. Now, everybody understood the concept? If you understood the concept, please read it. Understood or not? If you are able to write this, the problem, you understood the problem. Okay, my dear students? So you have to find n. So now what is the concept? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so let us see the problem now. See, since I don't have place, I am moving horizontally, but you have to move it vertically. Understood? One below the other. Now let us substitute. Did you get nth term? Yes, sir. 994 equals, what is a? 105 plus n minus 1. You don't know, sir. N minus 1 times what is d? 7. Got it? So that implies 994, and you have to find out n. So when you have one variable, you have to transpose everything and keep the variable on any one side, right? So now when you are transposing, it is the inverse order of BODMAS, right? So that means subtraction, but subtraction is in brackets, so it comes at the last, because what I was talking about, BODMAS, right? BODMAS. So it is the inverse order of BODMAS. So you have to transpose subtraction, but it is inside brackets, which is the last one. So next, addition. Where do you have addition? Yes, sir. With 9 you have 105 as addition. So transpose it. 105 is in addition, but what is the sign of 105? Positive. So it becomes minus 105 equals n minus 1 into 7. So that implies 994 minus 104, 994 minus 100, it is 894, and 894 minus 5, 889 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. See, you can do two ways from here. 7 you can multiply 7n minus 7 into 1, 7, distributive property. Or since it is in bracket, we consider it as one term. So therefore it is in multiplication. So 7 when you transpose, what happens? 889 divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. Since no number is there, I can open the brackets. So now divide. 7 ones are 7, 1 is remainder, 1 and 8, 18, 7 twos are 14, and 4 is remainder, 4 and 9, 49, 7 sevens are 49. N minus 1 is equal to 127. Now I have to find n, so transpose minus 1. When minus 1, since it is in addition, minus 1 is transposed, so it becomes positive 1 is equal to n. So that implies 128 is equal to n. So what is n, my dear students? Number of three-digit numbers divisible by 7. So therefore, number of digits divisible by 7, number of number of 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 are, how many are there? 128. Understood, my dear students? Very, very simple. You see, did I start directly from here? No, I have started from here. You have to find how many. How many means n. And what to find divisible by 7? That means 3-digit numbers. So 3-digit numbers start from 100, 101, 102, 103, so on till 999. So then, what is the first number that is divisible by 7? So divide 100 with 7, you will get 2 as remainder. That means 100 minus 2, remainder means what? Extra. So 100 minus 2, it is 98. So for 98 is a number which is divisible, but it is 2-digit. So therefore, what to do? Just add 7, you will get first 3-digit number. So you got first 3-digit number, that means first term, second term, third term, so on. In order to find the last one, divide 999 with 7. What will you get? You will get the last 3-digit number. When I divide 999, I got remainder as 5, and 999 minus 5, it is 994. So understood, my dear students? So this is the way we do. And let us see the 10th problem of this video, last problem of this video. Assalamu alaikum. Students, I made a small mistake while copying the problems from textbook. So actually it is not the 10th problem, it is 14th problem, and previous one was 13. While copying it I made a mistake. So instead of 9th and 10th I explained 13th and 14th. Okay, I'm going to explain. So a small change, and I'll explain the remaining problems also. I have explained 7th, 8th, right? So 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, I'll explain in the next video. Okay. So now, how many multiples of 4? Same concept. How many? So what you will start with? N. N is equal to how much? And you have to find out multiples of 4. Multiples of 4, which lies between 10 to 240, 250. Understood? So it lies between these two. It is not 2-digit or 3-digit. Sir, how to find out, sir? Between, when between they say, between 10 and 250 is not included. But anyway, is 10 the multiple of 4? No, sir. we know. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the starting number. So after that, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, so on. Sir, 250, is 250 a multiple of 4? Let us check. 250, okay, divide with 4. 4 6 are 24, minus and 1, bring down 0. 4 2s are 8, so remainder is 2. So is 250 a multiple? No, sir, it is not a multiple. So what is the remainder? 2. So that means 250 minus 2, it is 248 is the multiple of 4. Understood or not? These are the multiples of 4. Now you got a series. So tell me here, what is this one? First term, good boys. So it is 12. And what is the common difference? Here multiples of 4, it is, therefore it is 4. And what is 258? 258 is, very good boys, don't confuse yourself, it is nth term. So nth term is 248. Okay, now you got nth term as 248, or what to find? How many numbers? N is equal to how much? So what is the concept? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to nth term. So this is the concept. Okay. So once you know concept, what is given and what to find, so then it will be easy for us to find out n. Let us substitute. What is an? 248 equals a, what is a? 12 plus n minus 1 into what is common difference? 4. So 12 will transpose 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. So that is equal to, I feel it is 236 is equal to n minus 1 divided by 4. Transpose this 4. 236 divided by 4 equals n minus 1. So 4 how many times? 4 5s are 20. 3 is remainder. 3 and 6, 36. 4 9s are 36 is equal to n minus 1. And when you transpose minus 1, so it will be 59 plus 1 is equal to n. So therefore n is equal to 60. So how many multiples are there? So therefore there are 60 multiples. 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Right, my dear students? Good. So I hope you understood it. Okay, you understood the concept, and now yes, I'll upload this video now. So while doing, as I say you daily, so please follow the concepts, and while explanation, try to write running notes. Understood? Don't copy it. Try to write running notes, and after that, close your books, do your working, and then compare with the steps what I have written. Those you have done, also compare the steps with what I have given. Understood? Take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum. Please like, share, and subscribe.